Hey everyone, this is Angela from PowerPointify, and today I'm going to show you how to add speaker notes into PowerPoint. This is a great feature to use if you are giving a presentation and you want to have your own notes that you don't want the viewers to see. So to start off, let's make sure you have the notes in your presentation. So go ahead and come down to this notes section at the bottom. When you click that button, it'll expand this little area that says click to add notes. There is where you can add any notes in your presentation that you as a speaker want to see, but you don't have your viewers see. So I'm going to go ahead and add some example notes. Alright, now I'm also going to add notes to the second slide just so you can see what it's going to look like. Alright, so once you have your notes in there, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you view it in the speaker notes setting. Now, I do want you to know that if you are doing this on your own, you can only see this setting when you are plugged into an additional screen. So if you have a second monitor, you'll be able to view these, or if you are hooking your computer up to a projector. So this is only going to work when you are displaying this on a second screen. So I'm going to go up here to slideshow and click that. And then I'm going to click from the beginning. Now, as you can see on my screen, on the left-hand side, I have my first slide because I am viewing this from the beginning. So here is my slide, and here is my example notes on the right-hand side. So now when you're giving a presentation, you can see the slide on your left, and you can read those notes on your right, but your viewers aren't seeing that. They're just seeing your traditional PowerPoint presentation, which is right here. Now it'll also show you what your next slide is. So that's a great thing to know for when you have to make sure you have transitions between your slides in terms of what you're saying. It's a great thing to utilize. So when I go to slide 2, I'm going to click the next button down here. When I go to slide 2, you'll see it says example notes down in the right hand side here. So again, the right hand side is where you're going to see those notes that you have within your PowerPoint presentation as speaker notes. Now I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. And when I exit, I want to show you one last thing. So saying in the slideshow section of the toolbar, on the right-hand side, there's Use Presenter View. And so that's the view that we were just using now that I was showing you. When you're hooked up to an additional screen, you can use that presenter view. This does come default checked, but I just want to make you aware of it because if for some reason you had clicked around your presentation and mixed up some formatting, maybe you unchecked that on accident. In order to use those speaker notes, this does need to be checked. Alright everyone, well that was just a quick how-to for adding speaker notes into PowerPoint. Thanks so much for joining us today. Again, my name's Angela with PowerPointify. Have a great day.